As of today, we've issued almost 550,000 vote-by-mail ballots, and this is the room here at the Registrar of Voters where we deal with vote-by-mail ballots on a daily basis. I want you to come back here. We're going to talk to Jessica. And Jessica Castaneda is the lead in this room right now, and she deals with all the folks that come into the counter here at our office at the lobby, and also all the ones that are being returned. You're dealing with a lot of the problem ones, right?
Yes.
So what are some examples of problem vote-by-mail ballots when they come back?
The most frequent problem that we have are the signature issues, that they don't sign or they don't match.
Right.
Maybe
What do we do in that case when they don't sign?
when they don't sign, we challenge them, and they don't
But we
count.
notify the voter.
We notify the voter,
Right.
And we let them know that they didn't count, or
Good.
that they didn't sign.
Right, and they have an opportunity to come in and take care of that or to sign their ballot. So
Yes.
it's something that we're giving them the opportunity to correct
To come in and correct.
Good.
Yes.
Another interesting thing that we do here is we also send a lot of ballots overseas because we have folks that are in the military or they live overseas, but they're registered to vote in Orange County. And one of the things that we do is we email ballots to those folks overseas. What's the
Yes.
total number that we've emailed to date?
So far, we've emailed 1,489.
And a lot of those people really like that service, don't they?
They really do. It's quick, it's easy, it's convenient for them. They don't have to wait. Mail can be slow,
Right.
so email is really quick and convenient for the voter.
Perfect. And what's attached to that when it gets sent to those voters are all the instructions they need to return that ballot to us here in the office prior to November 4th, of course, so that their ballot will count, right?
Yes, and they have the opportunity to return that either by mail or by fax.
Okay. One other quick item is the number of people that come to our counter and either drop off a vote by mail or they ask for one here so that they can vote it. How many of those to date have we had?
That have come into the counter, we've
Yeah.
had 329 come into the counter.
Great. So it's going to get a lot busier
It's
between
gonna-
now and November
yes,
4th, right?
Yes, definitely. It's gonna
Perfect.
definitely
Thanks.
get
So you can
busier.
find all the information on vote by mail balloting at ocvote.com/mail. Thanks.